The refreshing scent of pine, crisp mountain air, and weather na pwedeng pamporma with jacket. We're taking a break from the polluted streets of Metro Manila, and we're here at the summer capital of the Philippines, Baguio, where we're featuring the region's top developer, Goshen Land Capital Incorporated. Since its inception in 2007, Goshen Land Capital Incorporated has quickly become one of the most trusted real estate developers in Baguio, developing some of the area's most modern yet affordable residential properties. With projects such as the Courtyards, Summerfields, and North Cambridge, Goshen Land has changed the concept of living in Baguio, creating community environments that seamlessly marry classic Western motifs with Baguio's scenic natural landscape. And we're here with Goshen Land Capital Incorporated CEO, Mr. Alexander Bangsoy. Alex, kwentuhan mo naman kami. How did Goshen start?
Siguro, Gabe, para masagot yung tanong na yan, we have to go back in time.
Okay.
Ang aking mga magulang, mga houseboy at housegirl sa Maynila.
Okay.
So kami nangungupahan doon,
Oo.
matagal. Dahil nga sa kahirapan, hindi kami magkaroon ng sariling bahay.
Right.
So naalala ko nung high school pa ako, ito siguro yung parang kahapon lang, may isang insidente that actually defined yung kung bakit nagkaroon ng Goshen. Nung araw na yon, kami ay napaalis. Kami na-eject sa aming tirahan. At kami ay sa pilitang napauwi rito sa Baguio.
Okay. Okay.
So, buti na lang ang tatay ko, meron na impok at nakabili siya ng lote. So, sabi nga nila, whatever you are now is defined by your childhood. Yung incidenting yun, ang tumimo sa aking puso, sabi ko, sa balang araw, sana magkaroon ako ng negosyo na makapag-provide ng bahay para hindi gaya ko na hindi mapapaalis, na hindi mangungupahan ng mga tao. 2006, no?
Okay.
I was in the crossroads at sabi ko, I really need to fulfill this dream. And eventually, 2007, we established Goshen
Okay.
as the branded company that would carry our products.
Okay.
Sabi ko doon sa aking mga partners, hindi dahil sa atin. It's not about us.
Oo.
It's about the customers that we serve. Tinignan namin ano ang pangangailangan
Okay.
ng mga buyers. At doon namin ginawa ang produkto.
Nakafocus ka talaga yun sa mga tao nakatira dito because I don't know, I may be wrong, but the developers in the past were focusing on the tourist market. Yung taga Maynila.
Yeah, alam namin kung anong pangangailangan. At doon kami nagfo-focus. Ang Baguio noon lugar na mayayaman.
Oo.
Karamihan ito'y bakasyunan ng mga Ligarda, ng mga Montinola.
Correct. Oo.
Pero ngayon, ito na ay isang mid-market. So it's a changing of markets, no? That you could only observe pag na keen ang observation mo dahil taga ron ka.
With mountain falls carved into the hills, organic gardens, and even indoor and outdoor spas, Goshen Land's The Courtyards pairs Baguio's scenic landscape with luxury amenities, bringing the mountain resort experience to the Philippines.
Courtyards, itong
Kung nasan tayo ngayon.
Kung nasan tayo ngayon. We saw that, nakita natin na walang condominium dito sa Baguio. Oo. At pero wala na halos lupa.
Oo.
So the only way to go is go vertical.
Right.
At nakita natin, because of the changing lifestyle ng mga tao, they have a very active lifestyle.
Right.
Ayaw na nila ng bahay. Usually the young and upwardly mobile.
Right. Right.
Ang karamihan ng kondo na malapit sa Central Business District.
Oo.
Ang ginawa natin, nilayo natin.
Okay.
Pero mas malaki ang lupa. We could provide an amenity, a swimming pool, and the
Right.
old Baguio feel.
Strategically located beside St. Louis University, the North Cambridge Dormitory Condominium provides units and a lifestyle environment well suited for the active lifestyles of aspiring young professionals and entrepreneurs.
Baguio is a university town.
Okay.
We have 3 major universities
Yeah.
at 70,000 students.
70,000?
Yeah.
Okay.
At nung lumabas sa aming market research, nakaramihan mga rito ay nangungupahan.
Okay.
Na kailangan nila ng lugar, no? However, they're paying about 3 to 5,000 monthly per person. So, sabi namin, bakit hindi tayo gumawa ng isang student condominium? Ang hulog lang natin, mga 12,000.
Oo.
So, dagdagan mo lang ng 2,000. Sa'yo pa ang unit, pag natapos ang iyong anak, sa'yo na unit.
Oh,
no?
or you can rent it out.
Yeah, you could
di ba?
rent it out.
Okay.
And with that value proposition, We sold 288 units ang isang building, no? Isang buong building in less than a year.
Wow.
No? And now we're on our second building, it's 75% sold.
Ideal for families, Goshen Land Summerfields and Blue Ridge Mountains offer classic American-style single homes within a community environment.
These Blue Ridge Mountains, I'm
Okay.
so excited about this,
Okay.
Gabe. Ano? Kasi people, lagi ko to naririnig, where's the old Baguio?
Oo.
Saan na yung lumang Baguio? Nasa na yung fog? Nasa na yung ano? Sabi ko, I have to find a place where I could bring back the old Baguio.
Okay.
And we finally found it.
All right.
It's in Irisan. It's 50 hectares, more than 50 hectares.
May 50 hectares pa kayong nahanap in Baguio?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's a mini Janhe, I would call it, kasi
Okay.
maraming puno, may mga waterfalls. We will not develop more than 50% of it.
Wow.
I-retain natin yung mga puno.
And so you really mean it na talagang old Baguio feel
Yeah,
yan,
the
ano?
old Baguio field. Na pag uwi ka doon, siguro, sabi nga nila, you could still smell the pine trees.
Amoy na amoy pa.
Amoy na amoy mo pa rin.
Ano?
By 2013, Gabe, Baguio would only be 3 hours away.
Okay.
Kasi magagawa na po itong TPLEX,
Right.
which
right.
will connect the present highway now, yung
Oo.
SCTEX, at saka yung TPLEX.
Saan labas nun?
Sa Rosario, La Union.
Sa Rosario ng labas nun.
That's why I'm telling those who would like to invest and would like to buy now. Because in 2013, prices are sure to shoot up.
Right. Wow, this has really been a wonderful conversation, Alex. Really, from talking about your developments to really realizing that you mean it with your vision na talagang a nice place. Pwede for anyone, making it affordable and making this accessible to everyone. And it's really grounded in your own personal story.
Na hindi na nagkakalayo ang aking kwento dito sa nangyayari dito sa ating kumpanya. And this is our vision, to provide affordable housing to ordinary people like you and me.
Like real estate show hosts. Mag-uusap kami behind the cam dahil talagang gusto ko kumuha sa Blue Ridge. So thank you very much, Alex.
Thank you
Wonderful
very much.
talking to
Thank you very much. It's such a privilege to talk to you, Gabe.
With refreshing residential properties seamlessly blended into Baguio's picturesque landscapes, Goshen Land Capital Incorporated has truly changed the face of living in the growing region, creating different communities that each hold their own unique charm.